Okay, guys. So today we're gonna learn how to remove an airbag from a 2007 Nissan Sentra. So first thing you need to do is disconnect the battery. It's the first step you need to do. And when you disconnect the battery, I don't know if you can see these covers, little covers are here. So you're gonna remove. Oops. These little covers. And as you can see, so inside here we got a 10 millimeter, and in this side too. So we need to remove those bolts. So oops. Okay, sorry guys, it's not 10 millimeters. It's this T27 with a little hole in the middle. So so we're gonna use this little socket to remove the bolts. So as you can see, says the shape right there. So we're gonna use this. Alright, so okay, there you go. So here's one. It's one. Remove the here's two. Alright, so now I'm going to remove this piece here. So I'm going to remove this piece. It's pulling. Slow. So we're gonna see what's inside. So we're going to remove. I'm going to remove this. Remove this one. This. And also we're going to remove this little pins right here. So let me see. Okay, so now you can see better. So we're going to alright guys, so flip it. So you do it from here, and this is here too, like that. That's one, and that's two. So we don't have the new airbag because we got the wrong one, so we're gonna install the same one. But this idea, that's the way to change the airbag. So we're gonna put this one back, and tomorrow we're gonna change it. But so you're gonna do the same thing. I mean, you need to install, put this one back on the orange and the yellow. So I'll do it, but I need my other hand. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now we have this connection. So now we're gonna. Okay, so now everything is connect is this one and the three connectors. So just put it back like this, and just put these bolts back and the covers, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.